So our formulas for evaluating, a summation, they start at 1 at the bottom of the formula, right? So in order to make this formula work, we just have to back it up by one term. So we want to sum from j equals 1 to 30. And it's 8j plus 4j squared over 3. But we can't just change it from j equals 2 to j equals 1. We have to keep it representing the same quantity. So what you want to do is subtract out what it equals when j equals 1. So if you plug in j equals 1 into the formula, you get this. So make sure you get the parentheses. You want to subtract it by the first term. And now we can break it up using what we've learned about the summation operator. This is something, the summation from j equals 1 to 30. We can use the formula for that. And then we can factor out the 4/3. It's the sum. I'll leave out the j equals 1 to 30 because my handwriting on this computer is bad. So we can use the summation from I equals 1 to n of I squared, this formula in the top right corner for this part. And then we got to subtract out the 8 plus 4/3. So this first one follows this formula here, where n is 30. So this is going to be 30 times 31 over 2. And then this next one, j squared, that's going to be 30 times 31 times 2 times 30 makes 60. 60 plus 1 makes 61. That's all over 6. And then subtracted by the 8 plus 4/3 that we saw at the beginning. Okay, so with the calculator, 30 times 31 divided by 2 times 8. This first term is 3,720. And then we have 30 times 31 times 61 divided by 6 times 4 divided by 3. So the second term is 12,606, and I think it was 0.6 repeating. Yeah, so 2/3. And then if you simplify this over here, 4/3 plus 8, that's 9.3 repeating. So we have, as a mixed number, 16,317 and 1/3, or as an improper fraction, 3 times the whole part, 3 times 16,317 plus the 1 up top. We have 48952 over 3.